You know, every now and then, when I travel around Poland, I stumble on questions that seem simple at first, but the deeper you go, the more fascinating they become. And one of those questions is this: is Bydgoszcz the Venice of Poland? At first, I laughed a little. I mean, Venice? Gondolas? Opera masks? Really? But then I went there. I walked around. And suddenly the nickname didn't feel so silly anymore, even if it isn't exactly accurate. Let me tell you why. When you arrive in Bydgoszcz, you don't instantly think Venice. There's no dramatic lagoon, no maze of canals right in your face. What you notice first is something quieter. A clean river cutting through the city, old brick buildings reflecting off the water, and the kind of calm atmosphere that feels lived in, local, not staged for tourists. And then you reach Mill Island. Mill Island feels like someone took a piece of old Europe, polished it gently, and placed it in the middle of a modern city. The bridges there aren't just functional, they feel like invitations. The trees lean over the water as if they're listening, and you start to get why people compare this area to Venice, even if only a small part of Bydgoszcz fits that label. There's something extremely charming about the way the buildings sit against the water. It's the kind of place where you slow down without noticing, where you start walking a bit softer because you don't want to interrupt whatever mood the river is setting. What makes Bydgoszcz special isn't the scale, it's the intimacy. Venice overwhelms you. Bydgoszcz whispers. It whispers through the sound of a bike rolling across a bridge, through the conversations of teenagers sitting on the edge of the river, their feet dangling over the water, through the laughter of families picnicking on the grass of the island, through the gentle movement of a boat that passes just slowly enough for you to see your own reflection tremble in the ripples. There's even a tiny stretch of the river, a handful of old buildings leaning over the Młynówka that locals call Bydgoszcz Venice. It's small, almost easy to miss, but when you find it, it feels like discovering a hidden chapter of the city, a pocket of romantic nostalgia tucked between modern streets. And here's something I love. Bydgoszcz didn't get its charm by accident. This city was shaped by water long before anyone tried to compare it to Venice. The canal system here once connected important regions of Europe. Goods flowed, people moved, industries grew. This river wasn't a decoration, it was the city's lifeline. And you can still feel that history in the air if you know how to look for it. What you see today, the museums on Mill Island, the renovated granaries, the smooth walkways, the clean waterfront, is a second life, a rebirth. A careful effort by the city and its people to honor the past while creating a space that feels fresh and full of possibility. And honestly, it shows. Now, Poles often tease each other about these Venice of Poland claims. Some will say it's Wrocław because of all the bridges. Others will jokingly nominate every town with a puddle or two. But there's something sweet about the fact that so many places in Poland end up with water-based nicknames. Maybe it's because water is comforting, familiar, alive. Bydgoszcz's version of Venice isn't about scale. It's about emotion, about small moments, about the way sunlight falls between the buildings and makes everything glow, about the feeling you get when you stand on one of the smaller bridges at dusk and the whole river turns gold. It's not a Venice you can compare on a map. It's one you feel for yourself. If you grew up in Poland, maybe you already know these places. Maybe you've sat by the Brda on a summer night with someone you love. Maybe you've taken pictures on the island, or fed ducks, or wandered into the art museum because it started raining and you needed a place to hide for a moment. Or maybe you live far away now, and hearing about this place brings back memories of childhood trips, school outings, or random afternoons exploring with friends. That's the magic of cities like Bydgoszcz. They sneak up on you, they stay with you. Not because they look like Venice, but because they look like themselves. And that, I think, is the real answer to the question. Is Bydgoszcz the Venice of Poland? Not really. And at the same time, in its own small poetic way, absolutely yes. Not because it copies Venice, but because it has its own version of water-woven charm, its own reflections, its own memories, its own rhythm. A Venice in miniature, personal, quiet, Polish, and proud. If you've enjoyed taking this journey with me, if you love exploring the soul of Polish cities, their hidden corners, their stories, and their little surprises, then join me here on The Poland. Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with someone who misses home, or someone who needs a reason to visit Bydgoszcz. I'm not Polish, but I'm learning, I'm listening, and I'm falling in love with these places one step at a time. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next story.